We started looking at a technique for increasing the speed in which we change chords, and it's a really useful technique to get your fretting hand moving a little bit quicker. And it involves changing from one chord to another a number of times. So we're using 60 times, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separate exercises for you to try this one out with. So the first exercise uses a G and an E minor chord. So this is how we're playing the G. So we have the third finger down here, second finger here, and our first finger there. You see that? And when we go to E minor, we're going to glue that first finger down, this one, and the second finger is just going to travel and sit underneath it. So we go G, and then E minor, and obviously we remove the third finger. G, E minor, G, E minor. Now when that third finger is removed, it should be leaving the fretboard, moving away from the fretboard. It shouldn't be sort of tucking itself under like this. So your third finger leaves fretboard. Our second example, E minor to A. So this is your E minor. And when we go to A, we simply take these two fingers and we drop them down a string each and then add this third finger on. So we're going from there to there. So there and then to there. Now there are some musicians in the class that are using this way of playing E minor. Now if we're doing this when we change to A, so this is just for you guys, so the majority will be using this one, but I think we've got two players that are using this way. So we move the third finger down to the second string, the second finger to the fourth string, and then just add that first finger onto the third string. E minor, A. Our third example, quite a nice easy change. So this is A minor, and then just lifting that entire shape up a string to E. A minor, and then everything just goes up a string each to the E chord, and we do that 60 times. Fourth example, first chord again is A minor, and we change to C. So in doing this, we tell ourselves that the first and second fingers are glued down, and the third finger just moves up to the fifth string, third fret. A minor, C. A minor, C. A minor, C. And then our fifth example, this is a new chord for this week, so F major 7, so the first finger on the second string, first fret, second finger on the third string, second fret, and third finger on the fourth string, third fret. This is on your chord sheet for this week, but it's basically like a C, but we take this finger and we just move them down a string each. And this one we just play it from the fourth string. So in the exercise we're going F major 7, and then we lift the second and third finger up to C. F major 7, C. Like that. So what we recommended for practice for these this week is to try and tackle one each day. Do the finger exercises first for a few minutes, then each one of these chord change exercises, doing the change for 60 seconds, and you should, in fact I'm 100% sure that if you do this you'll start finding your chord changes a lot easier, and it's a very, very effective way to just master them and get them dealt with at quite an early stage. So enjoy playing that, and we'll move on to the next video now.